Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. A common question asked from my clients is what is the difference between our Remy hair extension and premium version hair extension. And today's video I will give you a breakdown so that you will not get confused again. Let's start with hair extensions. Hair extensions is actually a type of hair product. Why to get hair extension is simple. You want to add length, you want to add volume, or even add color to your own hair. So hair extension is a type of the product which give you density or length, actual length or color of the hair you want without damaging your own hair. And when you check on our website, you can see that mainly we sell two types of hair extensions. One is Remy human hair extensions and another is premium version hair extensions. And let's start with Remy hair extensions, and this is a type of Remy hair extensions. This is extension type of seamless taping hair extension, and the hair is actually Remy human hair. Remy hair is a type of high quality hair. When we talk about Remy, it means that the cuticle is in the same direction. When we talk about the cuticle, everyone here have a cuticle. It's a very important part of the hair. It will protect the hair shaft. It also lock the nutrition in the hair to make your hair looks more soft as well. The most important is the cuticle must in the same direction. If the hair cuticle is not in the same direction, it will cause tangle problem. That is why every day when you wake up and your hair might feel very messy and it's hard to comb. It's because the cuticle is not on the same direction. They start to tangle and mess with each other. And our Remy human hair extensions is 100%. All the cuticle is in the same direction. This is the root of the hair. This is the tip of the hair, so that there will not be any problem with the tangling, and so you will not face any tangling issue. If the hair is not tangling, most of the time you will not feel any shedding issues, because why it's shedding most of the time is because the hair getting tangled and you try to comb it very hard and the hair starts to shed and start to break. And the Remy human hair, the cuticle is aligned, so it's very high quality. We do not over process it, so that the hair shaft is very healthy and smooth and soft, and also no issue with the tangling of any issue. This is a type of most popular hair extension type and high quality. And another type we're gonna introduce is the premium version hair extensions. When we say the premium hair extensions, this kind of premium version hair we actually purchase from the young women, and we just pay them and cut their hair, and we make the hair extensions by the hair. So we do not process it with any acid or any extra chemical. Of course, you know that most of the hair we source from China is natural black, so we do need to bleach it, and we do need to bleach it and color it to different type of colors, but we make sure that the hair is from the same person, and the hair has 100% the cuticle, which make the hair the highest quality and most luxury hair type, and it's very durable. You can use it very long time, especially when you take the dark color like natural color. You can use it as long as you use it, like you can use it for many years, even lifetimes. Even with the kind of a light color, this kind of very light color, because the original hair we get is from the young woman, very healthy hair, and the hair even bleached to this kind of light color, you will get a very high quality hair. You can use it for a long time. So with this kind of very light color, you may use it for 1 year, 2 year, or more than 3 years. And for dark color, you can use it longer time. So basically, the Remy human hair is a type of hair with high quality and more affordable price compared with this kind of a luxury premium version hair. This is a luxury type of hair. It is for you if you want luxury, have high budget, and you want hair that you can use a long time and looks luxury. This is the two type of hair extensions that we are supplying. Of course, in the market there is a lot of different type of hair extensions which is made by like non-Remy hair or synthetic hair type. They might label it as Remy hair but actually made of non-Remy hair. That kind of hair will be much cheaper compared with our Remy human hair or premium version hair. And so Joice Hair is the company which is focusing on the high quality hair. So no matter you choose our Remy human hair extensions or our premium version hair extension, you will get a very consistent quality hair type. So if you are doing a hair business and your clients looking for quality consistently, and you are building a brand, and building a company yourself, and you're looking for some brand to work with, and you want a very consistent hair quality, you can consider working with us. We will definitely provide you the most consistent high quality, and our most economic, our most cheap hair products will also satisfy most of the clients' need. So this is our guarantee, because Joice Hair is built to be quality. Joice Hair built to work with a brand who want high quality. If you're looking for hair extensions for yourself, Joice Hair can be a very good choice for you, because we are factory direct, so we offer the best price on the same quality. So we have a very strict quality assurance. So if you're looking for quality hair, it's best that you can work with us. So I think today's video you will know about different type of hair quality, about like synthetic hair, non-Remy hair, and Remy hair and premium version hair. Mostly what Joice Hair focusing on is premium version hair and Remy human hair, or high quality hair. So if you have more questions regarding hair extensions or different type of hair quality, you can feel free to comment below. If you're looking for any hair products, hair extensions, you can click on the description link, and you can got great hair extensions from our website. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a good day.